What's up, YouTube? Sorry about that. A little late today. My bad. But we're good now. So, what's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Whoa. Looking a little crazy here. Let me fix this. Today is... What's going on here? Spammers early today. Yeah, that was the first. I'm just gonna button this. So today is Wednesday, January 26th, 2022. I'm your host Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So yeah, my bad on getting set up late here today. But let's get started. So today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. That is because all the major indexes are in the red today. Yeah, pretty bad because everything was in the green. I was like, oh, looks like the Fed. Actually, you know what? There's a little run here to end the day. We're gonna change this to the trading floor. What a crazy ride today. So everything was pretty in the green here, like super green. And then I guess so. Wow, my bad. Let me mute my phone here. I'm all over the place today, guys. And here come the sirens. My bad. So yeah, so everything was in the major green in the morning. I was like, maybe there is no the Fed is not going to rug pull, and then the Fed started talking, and it did in fact rug pull. Everything went in the red. While I was getting set up for the show, everything was in the red. But I'm looking at this now. I don't know what happened in the last half hour here, but the Nasdaq goes in the green, and it seems like there was a major run to end the day. So today, not as bad as it should have been. So it started major green, then major red. Now we're pretty pretty sideways here, but slightly bearish in the day. What up, Zach? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Tesla go. I did not see Tesla. We got to see what's up with Tesla. Rainbow Land. Guistan. that's a good one. Guistan. Rainbow Land. Everybody click the like button, please. Yes, appreciate that. Oh, by the way, I did get some new memes here. You'll like this, Zach. Where is... There it is. I was like, where is it? I got my Rainbow Bear meme. Finally added it. So, you were the inspiration behind that, Zach, so thank you for that. Rainbow Bear meme, new one. I also have a new one. We'll share that later on. I added another one, too. But yeah, so, really crazy day today. Fed meeting, markets all over the place, very volatile. But regardless, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And we do have some news today. We got news about YouTube, management in YouTube, news about Mark Zuckerberg and crypto, his crypto project there. We got some news about the Fed. We'll cover, the major news on that today. And then some other news not regarding the markets about the Supreme Court. And then today for the analysis, we'll be going over really only one thing to go over today. There were a lot of things in the green, but after the Fed meeting, after that rug pull, the only thing really worth talking about today is XELA. So we're going to talk about XELA. There's also AT&T, which is an honorable mention. So we'll do XELA for the analysis today, and then we'll take a quick look at AT&T. But yeah, really nothing that worthy about talking about today. So this should be pretty short, well, the TA part at least. And then as always, we'll get to our Yolos. A lot of Yolos today, a lot more memes actually. So again, I'm not sure what's up with Wall Street Bets. They've been posting a lot of memes lately, not too many actual plays themselves. So we got a bunch of memes today, some lost corn, some gain corn, but mostly memes again. So yeah, today's show shouldn't take too long, maybe hour and a half, 2 hours, depending on how many people come in. But yeah, it should be another pretty short and sweet show here. So appreciate everyone for coming in here now. It looks like people starting to come in. What up, Monir? What up, PZ? Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. Please hit the like button on your way in. Crypto tanking now. Yeah, crypto was in the green as well, and then that kind of went down along with the Fed meeting. So I did check like half hour ago. It was in the red, and it was green this morning, so that sucks. Naked stock continues to go down. It's not naked anymore, dude. It's Centro. But yeah, I did see it was pushing $2. I'm not sure if it went under $2 yet. Yeah, you like that, Zach? The Rainbow Bear. Naked under $2. Oh, so it is under $2. Okay. We'll check it out. I did not see that. Tesla board on StockTwits is hilarious right now. Why, what's up? Is everyone... Let me see what's up with Tesla. I don't know what's going on, right? Wow. Well, it's down to 900. Okay. Down to 900. I mean, 2 days ago it was down to 850, so I don't know what people are complaining about. It's really not that bad. But yeah, they got their earnings going on right now. So maybe we'll talk about Tesla, depending on, yeah, probably not, it's not moving that much. But maybe we'll talk about Tesla, because we have time today. What, is it a bunch of apes crying and a bunch of bears? McDonald's response, Elon Musk, McDonald's promote their new coin. So McDonald's did respond. Okay, I did not see that. So we'll get to that. All right, guys. So let's get started here. All right, let's do it. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Oh, and here's the other meme. So for everyone who missed it, I got the new meme, the Rainbow Bear. Where's Joe when you need him? He's not here yet. And then I got this meme. Marvin wanted this one. Where is it?
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
Yeah, there we go. That's Rick James from the Dave Chappelle Show. So I might get in trouble for that because I did look it up. What what words you can and can't say. So cocaine is a flagged word. So I'll keep it up for the time being. But if I get in trouble down the road, I'm gonna have to get rid of that meme. But for now, it's pretty funny. So we'll keep it there. All right, got to change this. And boom. Sick, but I think it's better to be used on the Discord page. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Because, yeah, I don't want to get banned or demonetized or anything for that. But, yeah, for sure. It was a pretty funny one, so we'll see how it goes. For now, it's staying. It's pretty good. I like it a lot. All right, so I'm looking at Tesla here live. It's down to 900. So not too bad. I wonder what the earnings were. I mean, I expect good earnings, honestly. But let's see what's going on here. Let's check out Tesla earnings. All right, so EPS was $2.54. That beat the estimate of 226, and sales were 17.72 billion, beating the estimate of 16.35 billion. So that's good. Those are good earnings. They beat earnings. So it's coming back now. It's up to 915. So yeah, for some reason, earnings this year, if they beat earnings, whatever company, the thing usually goes down a little bit. But if they miss earnings, it goes timber or BitConnect. So we'll keep an eye on Tesla. It's up to 920 now, so making a quick comeback. People buying the dip. So we'll keep an eye on this, but it looks like Tesla had good earnings here. Okay, let's get started here. All right, so what do we got? So the Dow Jones is down 0.38%. NASDAQ is up 0.17%, and the S&P 500 down 0.15%. So, I guess I give that some applause because that's better than nothing. So, like I said, wild day. Everything was super green. Then the Fed comes out. Everything goes timber. And towards the end of the day here, power hour, people were buying the dip. So, not that bad of a day, all things considered, although it is slightly bearish. So the VIX is up today, 0.8 points, up 2.57%. VIX is at 32 now. So, still not great, well, not great at all. But, yesterday, or was it 2 days ago? Can't remember. VIX was at 40. It was pushing 40. So, 32, still pretty bad. Still very volatile. A lot of fear. But better than 40 on the bright side, right? So, that's still pretty bad. Anyway, let's take a look at here. What's going on? So, Groupon is up 20%. I don't know what's going on with Groupon. Big day for Groupon. And then, big stock today, XELA, 16.36%. And after that, looks like we got a few memes here. Cost 12.71%. DraftKings 5.23%. GME is up 3.48%. Got some meme EVs up. Workhorse is up 3.6%. Nikola 3%. So Microsoft is an honorable mention. This was trending a lot. But we're not going to talk about Microsoft today. That's up 2.85% after some pretty good earnings. People thought it was going to tank. It did not. It went the other way. So Microsoft honorable mention there. This was trending top 10 on StockTwits. But not going to talk about it today. Got some more. Got Ride, Lordstown Motors, 2.66%. That's another meme EV. Wish is up 2.61%. Memes are doing pretty decently today. Novavax, 2.55%. BBIG is up 2.33%. BBIG was up a lot further. Was up a lot more before the Fed talked. So BBIG honorable mention, that was also trending, but not going to do it today. Tesla up 2%, although it is pulling back here in the aftermarket. Nvidia up 2%. Google 1.8%. Hey, look, Moderna's up 1.6%. Intel entered Guzstan after earnings. Yeah, I see it right here. It's up 1.35% and down to 50 in the aftermarket. So, I mean, that's not the worst thing, but yeah, it's selling off in the aftermarket right now. And then we got some financials here. Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan. Pfizer Pfizer is up. GM up. DWAC. IBKR, another financial there. So, not much up today. A few select memes. And looks like financials and the vaccine stocks. So, yeah, mostly a few memes, financials, some tech, and vaccines, it seems like. Really not too much up. So, I don't know. This is a bit deceiving. There's a lot more red than green here for sure. You know, the indexes would suggest a slightly bearish market, but this is pretty bearish overall. But hey, like I said, better than nothing. So, on to the red side here. What do we got? Looks like biotech, a lot of biotech getting wrecked here today. So, wow, Discovery A. Discovery is down 9%. What the hell happened to Discovery? That means Viacom didn't do so well either, huh? Well, Discovery is down 9%. What happened to Discovery? Apparently HBO Max sucks, huh? No reason to justify that either. I mean, it is kind of a meme stock now, but yeah. Discovery A is down 9%. That's really, really bad. I wonder why this wasn't trending more. HBO Max ain't that bad. Come on. Centro Electric, CENN, used to be naked. Yeah, that's down 8.57%. So that is below $2 now. That's at 192. So, you know, it's going back to where it was before the split. It was like under $1 pre-split, pre-reverse split, and then it reverse split, and it got to what, like $7 during reverse split. Can't even see it here. But it was like it was like $6 or $7 reverse split. And then now it's right back down to $2 and probably going back down under $1. So, yep. Got AT&T down 8.42%. Another nasty day there. I don't know what's up with AT&T. I think they came out with earnings, actually. But we'll take a quick look at AT&T after XELA. Not an honorable mention. We're going to quickly look at that one. Nasty day there. CEI 7.39%. That's down to 59. DoorDash 7.24%. Oxygen. Wow. Oxygen down 6.8%. Oxygen's pushing $3 now. Peloton. So a lot of memes here are going down. So Peloton down 6.71%. Snapchat down 6.62%. MMAT down 5.39%. That's at 158 now. Robinhood down 4.9%. That's at 1240. Alibaba. So Alibaba looked like it bottomed out. Nope, apparently not. Psych. Alibaba's down 4.84%, down to 113 now. Hitting the bottom, hitting the lows again. Looks like Chinese EVs are down. NEO down 4.75%. Express. Fubo, Skills, Coinbase down 3.77%. So Viacom is down 3.62%. Not as bad as Discovery, but that's pretty bad. Sundial needs to do a reverse split. It will get delisted next month. Yeah, that's down 3.72%. That's down to 46 cents. So that's probably going to need to reverse split pretty soon. What up, Joe? Thanks for being here, dude. You're going to like this, dude. New meme. Inspired by Zach. Rainbow Bear meme. Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. What else we got here? Roblox, 3.48%. Marathon, Bitcoin stock there, 3.25%. MicroStrategy, 3.12%. A lot of red here. Clover, 2.48%. Palantir, 2.37%. Riot, down 2.12%. So Facebook down 1.84%. Got some news on that coming up, or Mark Zuckerberg at least. Netflix down 1.83%. Netflix still selling off. Meme index selling off, down 1.79%. That's pushing $10 now. And then we got, there's too much to say, but Twitter, Starbucks, Li Auto there, Nike, Walmart, Amazon, eBay, AMC is down. So, definitely looks like the market's getting pulled down by value for the most part. Memes are getting pretty wrecked too, but value is pulling the market down for sure. So yeah, there's the stock market today. Pretty bearish. Indexes would suggest slightly bearish, but it's pretty bearish today. So yeah, what a ride. A lot of swings today. I mean, we can look at SPY today. This was pretty nuts. Yeah, so it was at 444, and then I guess the Fed talked, and it tanked all the way down to 429, and it ran back up a little bit here. Finishes at 433 to finish the day. But yeah, crazy swings today. But hey, I'll take it. You know, this little run here at the end. If it wasn't for that, everything be in the red right now. So yeah, another bearish day, but not as bad as everyone thought it would be. Damn ambulance. All right. So that's the stock market, guys. Let's move on to crypto here. Okay, so crypto's actually up now. Another crazy day for crypto. Same thing. Major swings here. So crypto was up in the morning, sold off when the Fed talked, and now it's back in the green. So I will take it. So crypto is up 1.44% today. Very nice. So let's check it out. So meme coins first. Gaming Shiba. So this one's been trending for the past few days. That's up 58%. And then we got Crypto Sword. I don't know what Crypto Sword is. But Crypto Sword, that's up about 500%, 490%. Ninja Floki, that's been trending for a couple days. That's up 230%. The hell is this? BitStore? Bit.store. Okay. That's up 174%. And I don't know what this is. FOMO. Literally a coin called FOMO. That's up 55%. Interesting. Alright, enough of that. Interesting. So CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko are saying two different things. CoinMarketCap saying up 1.44% and CoinGecko saying down 0.5%. So I don't know which one is accurate. But the pricing, but the coins seem to be accurate. So, all right, let's check it out. So Bitcoin up 0.6%. Better than nothing, recovering there. Ether up 3.1%. Binance down 1.1%. Cardano up 4.7%. That's doing pretty well. XRP up 2.7%. Got Terra down 4.2%. Dogecoin is up 2.2%. Very nice. Shiba up 2.5%. Polygon, got some news about Polygon coming up here very shortly. That's up 4.7%. Crypto.com up 2.8%. Cosmos down 8%. That's pretty bad. Bitcoin Cash up 1.5%. FTX up 1%. Ether Classic 3.6% up. Not too much price action going on here. Well, Waves is up. That might be the biggest gainer. Waves 28.2%. But let's sort this out here. It doesn't appear like there's too much price action. Seems like another pretty sideways day for crypto. What up, Marvin? Appreciate you for being here, dude. All right, so let's sort this out. So Waves is the biggest gainer, 28.2%. Interesting. I used to have this back in the day. I'm not sure what I had it at, but in 2017 I used to have Waves. Might have been higher than the current price, actually. But yeah, that's the biggest gainer. Then Theta Fuel, 25.3%, and then Helium, 17.6%. Gala, 16.4%. Check on my link in the chat. Yeah, we'll get to that, dude. So definitely a lot of growth coins leading the way here today. The biggest value gainer is Cardano, 4.7%. And then Ether, 3.1%. But it seems like there's a good amount of... It's pretty split between the red and green coins. But yeah, definitely today, biggest price action by growth coins, not value. Some pretty big gains here, too. And onto the red side, yeah, not too much. So this does look slightly bullish, I would say, on the crypto side. Slightly bullish, not by much, though. So on this side here, on the red side, yeah, Cosmos is the biggest loser. 8%. But nothing is over, 10%. So not too much negative momentum here. Biggest value coin loser is Terra, 4.2%. Nice. And then Cosmos, that's number 19, so I guess that's value. But yeah, really not too bad. Not bad at all. It's really just like Cosmos and Pocket Network, and then everything else after that, really not too bad. So yeah, definitely a lot more. I would say a lot more bullish than bearish in crypto today. But yeah, not too much price action on the value side. This is mostly growth today. But better than nothing. So slightly bullish. Well, no, bullish on crypto today. So stock market, slightly bearish. Crypto, bullish today. So nice little balance there, I guess. Overall, kind of sideways. So this whole Fed meeting didn't go as bad as people were anticipating, which is a good thing, I guess. All right, so there you have it, guys. There is crypto. So let's get on to the news today. 1 second. Let me pull up low roller stuff first, actually. Waves peak 15 bucks in 2018. Yeah, I forgot what I had it at in 2017, but I think it was above 11 bucks. What's that? Which is what it's at right now. So I don't know what's going on with Waves today, but that's kind of like OMG was another one I had. So some of these coins were up a lot more years ago. Good thing I sold them. Okay. So McDonald's does respond here. Grimace coin. Oh, I did see something about this. Yeah. So, yeah. So this is a continuation from yesterday. Um, because Elon, we covered it yesterday. Elon Musk said, "I'll eat a Happy Meal live if McDonald's accept Doge." So I think they're trolling now. Only if Tesla accepts Grimace coin. Is this actually McDonald's coin or what? I don't think this is actually tied to McDonald's. I think some random guy just made this. I don't know though. Grimace coin? I've never heard of that. That's pretty funny. I've never even seen. I haven't seen Grimace in a while. They should, if anything, they should have like a clown coin or something. So, did Elon respond to this? That's pretty funny though. Maybe they will just for the lulz. Why not? That's pretty funny. So they finally responded. I hope McDonald's takes Doge, and I hope Tesla takes Grimace coin. Why not? Real character? Yeah, he's a real character. Grimace? It's just I haven't seen this guy in a while. I haven't seen any of the mascots for a while. There's Ronald McDonald and the Hamburglar and Grimace and a few others. But I didn't know there was a Grimace coin. And I just really wonder if this was made by McDonald's or this is some random coin. And if it's not made by McDonald's, I'm surprised they didn't sue over it. But good stuff there. Yeah, fake Grimace coin jumps 285,000% after McDonald Tesla joke. Opportunistic actors made quick money creating a token named after the burger loving purple taste bud. Yeah, so who made the coin? Okay, so apparently there was no Grimace coin, and some random guy made one after McDonald's tweeted, and then people started buying it up. So yeah, the meme becomes real. All right, I see. So it wasn't even made by McDonald's. This was a total joke. There is no Grimace coin, and now there is. Someone made it, and people started buying it. So I don't think McDonald's is actually gonna take Doge. They were joking. Okay, got it. This is pretty nuts though. Revenge on the Squid Gamers. The hell is this? Revenge on the Squid Gamers? Okay. What, so this is the first day of trading, down 52%. Interesting. So it didn't even get a chance to move. It's just instant go. What's this? Cap? Down 100%. Wow, okay. Well, I don't know how long this has been around for, but it's literally down 100% today. RIP to Cap. I don't even know what that is, but RIP. Oh, Marvin, you're gonna like this. You're gonna like this. You weren't here before, but you're gonna like this.
Cocaine's a hell of a drug.
I did it, dude. I added the meme. So I may get in trouble for that because I did check with YouTube. I looked on their like banned words list, and apparently cocaine's a bad word. You can't say it. So we'll keep it for now. We'll see if they flag me for it or anything, but for now we'll keep it. It's a good meme. So I hope you like that, dude. All right. Show the bear. Yeah, I added the bear too. The rainbow bear. So I hope you guys like those new memes. Okay, and onto my news today. Give me a second here. Let me pull this stuff up. Okay. The F is this Bitcoin price action right now. Goodness, what a volatility. What's up with Bitcoin? Is it like actively? Yeah, now it's going down. I don't know, dude. All the price action on everything is pretty sick right now. SPY, Bitcoin, everything. Yep. Welcome to 2022. Blue Bear, Rainbow Bear. Joe Franco. What's up, dude? Thanks for being here today. Good call on TKLF up from here. We could check it out, but I don't think so. Because I did say yesterday that it's probably going to keep selling off. Wow, it went down another 16% today, 17%. So, I hope it's up from here, but honestly, I can't say so. I would say no. It is pulling back again in the aftermarket down to 320. That's not good. Yeah, I did say yesterday that I do think it's going to pull back for a couple more weeks at least. And this is not based on the stock itself. It's just based on how IPOs generally trade. So, personally, I would say no. I think it's going to keep running to the downside for a little bit more. Maybe a couple more weeks, maybe even a couple more months. But in the like the really short term, I would say no, it's probably not going to recover. But keep an eye on it. You know, it might. But, this is one you really have to watch and monitor. See when it starts to bottom out and catch support. But I still think it has a ways to go to the downside, unfortunately. Well, regardless, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Is Discord down? Yeah, I think it is. I couldn't get on earlier. Yeah, I still can't even get on. Oh, wait, no, it's back up. Well, I finally got on, but before it was down. I think people are having problems logging in, so it may be down. Yeah, it was down earlier for me. I just got back in. Alright, so today for the news, my news, oops, gotta pull one. We have news about Polygon, YouTube and Polygon, about Mark Zuckerberg, the Fed, and Supreme Court. So let's get started here. YouTube's head of gaming leaves to join Polygon Studios as CEO. So Ryan Wyatt has been a vocal prominent of blockchain and NFTs while at YouTube. So I didn't even know there was YouTube gaming. What the hell is YouTube gaming? Like, I know YouTube is popular with gaming, but I didn't know YouTube had a gaming department. Like, can you play games on YouTube? I didn't even know that. Anyway. So, yeah, this guy, Ryan Wyatt, head of gaming, leaves to be Polygon CEO. Pretty big news. So apparently he was really big on NFTs and blockchain and stuff, and which YouTube, we talked about yesterday. They're trying to get into it. So we're not going to read this whole thing, but yeah, Polygon stole some talent away from YouTube here. So, wish Ryan Wyatt the best of luck. YouTube gaming is a competitor to Twitch. All right, so it's not, they don't actually make games, but they stream games, I guess. I've never even heard of YouTube gaming. Maybe I'm just behind here or something, but I didn't even know there was YouTube gaming. I know YouTube Shorts is competitor to TikTok, but I didn't know YouTube Gaming was a competitor to Twitch. They may not, probably not a huge competitor at all. But okay, good luck to that guy. He's joining Polygon. Sounds like his true passion. So pretty big news there. YouTube doing NFT stuff. Yeah, I don't know. We talked about it yesterday. I don't know what exactly they're doing. And they don't even know. They said we want to get into the space, but they didn't specify anything. So I think they're just trying to take advantage of the wave right now, but they really don't know what they're gonna do. Covered my position in X and KSS for some small games. Keeping one short position in HUT will cover around 420 LMAO. Was that intentional? 420? Or it was just like random? But congrats to you, Zach. Some more successful rainbow boomerang. Yeah, man, you seem to be pretty good at that rainbow boomer stuff. It's not like the most gains in the world, but it seems to be pretty safe and steady gains. So you may be onto something, dude. I never rainbow boomered, but maybe I got to start doing that because it's relatively safe, and relatively reliable gains. So congrats to you, man. Good stuff. Yes, sir. So it was intentional or it was not intentional for the 420. Anyway, congrats, man. TikTok doesn't pay much as a creator. Yeah, I think you just need to have like a major following. I think you need like millions of subs or something. And they're all like, pretty young, attractive girls that do a lot of dancing and stuff. Those are the big the big TikTok creators. I mean, that's pretty much what TikTok is turning into, It's just a bunch of girls dancing. But anyway, moving on. So, staying on crypto here. Mark Zuckerberg's botched cryptocurrency project is reportedly for sale. The Dime Association, which oversees development of the Dime digital currency, is considering a sale of its assets, according to a Bloomberg report. Dime is reportedly in talks now with investment bankers about the next steps, including how to sell its intellectual property in an effort to capture whatever value is left. Sources speaking to Bloomberg also say that the company is trying to find a new destination for the engineers who developed this technology. Okay. So, I don't even know what Dime really is, because wasn't it Libra? Before it was Libra, it was something else, I'm pretty sure. Facebook tried to develop a crypto. I forgot what it was called, but it was something, and then it became Libra. Someone help me out here. But it was Libra, and then what happened to Libra? Did Libra become Dime? Anyway, I know, Zuckerberg and Facebook was trying to get into the crypto space, but apparently it didn't work. So I think Dime is Libra. I really don't know, but yeah, it's not working, and they're trying to sell it now. Dime is stablecoin. Okay, so Libra is still a different thing. So they still have Libra. Why would someone want to invest in a stablecoin backed by Facebook? That doesn't sound too safe. I mean, I guess it's better than Tether, but at least USDC is Circle and Coinbase. I would not really want to put my money behind something backed by Facebook. That's pretty scary. But okay. They are same things. I thought Libra was not a stable coin. I don't know what's going on here. So Libra was a stable coin anyway. So it didn't work. Which is pretty interesting because they are the metaverse. So I don't really see how they couldn't break into crypto if they have a monopoly on the metaverse. But yeah, it's not working, so they're gonna sell it off. Interesting stuff. He'll be alright. Mr. Beast only got paid 15K with billion viewers. Yeah, that's really not much at all. I guess you make more on sponsorships and not actual TikTok itself. Rainbow bearing is the way. Joe Franco is doing rainbow boomerang, and yes, it is intentional for the lols. Yeah, got it, dude. I think you mean Joe Roberts. There's Joe Franco and Joe Roberts. I'm not sure which one you mean there. I think you mean Joe Roberts, but yeah. And for the lols, why not, right? It's kind of like Dogecoin. I'm gonna sell at 69. It's like unintentional and intentional because it's like kind of the high. Yeah, why not? Lol. Facebook want to be the World Bank. The scary thing is I could actually see that becoming a reality. It could be like the world. They could have a World Bank in the metaverse. So maybe they'll try again later, but it's not working right now. So they're trying to sell this off. Best meme ever? Yeah, I've added some pretty good ones here lately. Glad you guys enjoy it. All right, so big news today here. Federal Reserve points to interest rate hike coming in March. So this is not breaking news. They said it was probably going to happen. I don't know why people are surprised. It was kind of weird today how the whole price action thing went. I was like, hey, it looks like market's not selling off. And then it just took there's a little glitch in the matrix. It took half the day before things started selling off. But yeah, key points. The Federal Reserve on Wednesday provided the clearest hint yet that it could start raising interest rates as soon as March. With inflation well above 2% and a strong labor market, the committee expects it will soon be appropriate to raise the target range for the federal funds rate. The central bank said in a statement that concluded its two-day meeting this week. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said asset purchases are also likely to halt in March, and the central bank released a paper outlining principles to start significantly reducing the bond holdings on its balance sheet without indicating a specific time frame. Okay, so, yeah, he wasn't kidding. He was not kidding. They're going to raise rates again. They already did it once in December, and now they're going to do it again in March. And not just raise rates, they're going to stop buying stuff too. So no more asset purchases, and they're going to start selling the bonds off. Or not buying bonds anymore. So, yeah, that's not good at all. That's pretty bearish. So we may be in for a rough couple of months here. Hopefully not, but I don't think the market is taking this very well. Definitely not bullish at all. So, hold on, guys. It may be a little rough here. The next couple of months. Next year, really. So, yeah, that was the major news today. Nothing too surprising. But, we get confirmation now they are going to raise rates again. And stop buying stuff. So, no more money printer. Money printer's off. Any decent sector or company in this crashing market, or is everything strong sell? It seems like oil is holding up pretty decently, energy, but no, for the most part, everything is going timber right now. Because of the interest rates, inflation, and raising the interest rates, trying to combat inflation, and yeah, money printer's off now. And and the C19 and everything else going on in the world, so everything is pretty up in the air right now. So I would say for the most part, there are some sectors doing better than others, like energy and financials, but For the most part, everything is going timber right now. Is taking a long in TLT a rainbow bear move? We'll check it out. Let me just read the last article here. What up, 1010? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Nice to see you again. Biggest thing was the question that said, some say 3 rate hikes, some say 5. Your thoughts? His answer was essentially, markets are pricing a lot of hikes. Markets are pricing lots of hikes. That sounds about right. So his answer was yes. 3 hikes, 5 hikes? Yes. So, yeah, not bearish. I mean, not bullish at all. I have a meme here.
Bruh.
Yeah, that was his answer. Well, thanks for being here. Thanks for being here, 1010. Appreciate you. All right, and last article here. This really doesn't have to do with the markets at all, but some pretty big news. Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer, or is it Stephen? I don't even know. Stephen Breyer to retire, giving Biden a chance to nominate a replacement. Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer is retiring, giving President Joe Biden, a crucial opportunity to replace the liberal justice. Biden has vowed to nominate a black woman to the bench. That's not good. You know, you should nominate based on merit, not affirmative action. You know, same thing happened with Kamala Harris. I don't want to get too political here, but you know, you should nominate people based on their merit and their qualifications and not what they look like. So, he did that with Kamala Harris. She only got the job because of what she looked like. That's turning out not to be too great. So I don't think this is going to go too well either. He vowed to nominate a black woman vice president too. So I don't know about this one. But yeah, Breyer will retire as the 6-3 conservative majority court, including 3 nominees of former President Donald Trump, shows a willingness to wade into divisive cultural issues. The court's approval has sunk to new lows as the justices take over major cases on abortion, guns, religion, and race. So, yeah, this really isn't going to change anything because the court is still going to have a conservative majority. But pretty big news here. Supreme Court Justice retiring and going to get replaced by, apparently, he vowed to replace him with a black woman. So, big news there. Thought I should share with you guys. He didn't say a lot directly, but he said a lot by not saying anything. Yeah, pretty much. Indirect answer. Indirect bearish answer. My VXX calls are printing, playing volatility rather than playing individual stocks. Yeah, VXX is like inverse SPY, I think, or something. It's inverse something. I think that's the Barclays ETN, if I'm not mistaken. I'm puffing on the clove pipe again. Stock gods help me. You're in clove, 1010? Did you are you long clove? Bought the dip, right? Let's take a look at some stuff here. So TLT. So is taking a long in TLT a rainbow bear move. So 20-year bonds. Well, if you want to lose money, then I guess you can go long. I wouldn't go for it. You know, Jay Powell just said he's not going to buy bonds anymore. So I don't really think that's a good idea. Probably going to keep going down. So, no, taking a short, no pun intended, would be a rainbow bear move. I think you're joking though, being sarcastic. But yeah, I probably wouldn't long this right now. VXX. So calls on VXX. So yeah, this is inverse SPY, SPX. So yeah, I mean it's been printing past couple of days. SPX, XPY has been going down a lot. So congrats to you there. And Clove Pipe. Clove. Wow. Is this like the all-time low? I think it's the all-time low. Yep. It doesn't really appear like it's done selling off yet. I don't know. Do you have calls in Clove 1010 or what? Anyway, good luck, man. I've pretty much given up on Clove and Wish and MMAT. Um, those may take a while before they come back. Bought 200 shares at 242. Sold 250. Calls for $10 each. Clove dumped this afternoon, but the calls I sold are super green. So you bought shares and sold. All right, so you did cover calls. That's what it sounds like. I think that's what you mean. You sold covered calls for 250. Okay, so not sure what the expiration is, but you know it's some pretty high IV here, so seems like a pretty good play. I did this back when Clove was at like 10 or something. I sold covered calls, and luckily I was able to escape. So yeah, you know, some pretty good IV here. Fat IV, over 100%. So, you know, I hope those expire worthless. They should, you know, unless Clove goes absolutely nuts, which I don't expect it to. But even if it does, you're going to be in the profit either way. So, yeah. You know, covered calls, powerful move there. So, either way, you win. Unless Clove keeps going down, like, massively. Hopefully it doesn't. Weekly expire Friday. All right, so the Delta... Delta's 28%, so... You have a 72% chance that it finishes out of the money. And even if it does finish in the money, you know, you're still going to make money. So, nice play there, dude. Power of covered calls. Good stuff. All right, guys. So, that's all the news for today. And let's get on to the analysis. And this really shouldn't take too long. All we're going to do is XELA. And we're going to take a look at AT&T. What's up with Tesla? How's that doing right now? It's back up to 930, so not going to do Tesla. So we're going to do XCLA. And we're going to take a quick look at AT&T after that. But XCLA is the only, like, you know, one we're really going to do today. Oh, they had some news. I didn't even see this. Cool. All right. So we're going to take a quick drink, and we'll do XCLA. And we're making some pretty good time here. Only an hour and 5 minutes in, so we might finish. I don't think we're going to finish at 5:30, but definitely should finish before 6. And please smash the like button, guys, for me, if you haven't yet. Okay. So here is XELA, XELA Technologies. This finishes at 64 cents today. That is up 16.36%. So we talked about this stock yesterday. It was mooning yesterday, and today, the momentum continues. This was one of the stocks that held up pretty well today, fortunately. But there was a reason as to why this stock went up so much today. We did have some news, so let's check it out. Shares are trading higher after the company announced a share buyback of up to 100 million shares of common stock at $1 per share through an exchange offer of new notes. So this comes after some great news yesterday of a $35 million contract renewal. And today we get $100 million stock buyback. Great news, great PR. So, apes loved it, are jumping in here, buying the stock up, and stock is up over 16% today. Very nice. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this does appear to be a possible cup and handle in the making. Looks like the top of the cup could either be 103, 124, or 143. And the bottom would be the low of 35 cents. But no matter where the top of the cup is, actually, I guess it could be. Could also be 172 or 214. But it doesn't really matter where the top of the cup is. Those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us the stock should run back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. This also looks like a possible bull flag in the making. No confirmation just yet. But if it is in fact a bull flag, that is another bullish indicator. That is telling us this stock should break out to the upside. And in the aftermarket here, this is running to the upside a little bit. It's at 64.5 cents. So not too much of a run there, but that is a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock should keep running to the upside tomorrow. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 80 cents and 62 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 80 cents, 103, 124, 143, 160, 172, 189, $2, 214, 229, 244, 260, 271, 284, and then $3. And there is resistance above $3, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And to the downside, next levels of support would be 62 cents, 44 cents, and then the low of 26 cents. $0.26 is literally the all-time low, so no support after that. All right, we got our first siren of the day. So my bad, guys. Gonna mute here. All right, good now. All right. 26 cents is literally the all-time low, so no support after that. So right now with this current price, 64 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 271 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get pretty wide, so expect a significant increase in price action. If/when this breaks 271 to the upside. Actually, you know what? I'll take it back. So right now with this current price, 64 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 189 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 189. And then from 271, and then at 271 and up, the channel starts to open up and get pretty wide again, so expect significant price action if/when this breaks 271. RSI is currently at 43, so still a little below average. And this did 266 million in volume today. Very significant volume, even more than yesterday. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So just my opinion, not financial advice. Not much has changed since yesterday, so my opinion is more or less the same. Right now, this has a lot of bullish indicators. Again, possible cup and handle, possible bear flag. RSI isn't that low anymore, but still below average. And the aftermarket action. So a lot of bullish indicators. Really no bearish or neutral indicators. So it appears like in the short and long term, this is a pretty good buy right now. You missed a lot of tendies already from 2 days ago. It went up 100% in 2 days here. But even at this price, 64 cents, there still appears to be a lot more upside potential. like I said before, this should fill the cup at 103 or higher. So that would be at least a 60% upside from here. Maybe even more. Could be over 100. Could be like 250% if this goes back up to 215. So you missed the bottom, but 64 cents still a really good entry in my opinion. So I would support going long at 64 and lower. If it pulls back below 64 cents, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. So yeah, going long here looks like a pretty good buy to me. I support that. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Should have went short a long time ago. Anywhere between July and November. And at this point, 64 cents is just way too low to go short here. Really no reason to do that. Again, a lot of bullish indicators, no bearish indicators, a lot of upside potential, not too much downside potential. This was literally at the all-time low 2 days ago. So I would say going short here would be a high-risk, low-reward play. Just don't really see a point in doing that. Not too much money to be made, and you'd be exposing yourself to a lot of risk. So I don't think that's a good idea. So I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. So pretty straightforward here, guys. Looks like a good buy in the long and short terms, and no reason to short this. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is XELA Exela Technologies. And yeah, I should add to before. So from 144 to what did I say before? 271. Expect a regular amount of price action. All right. So yep, that's all the TA for today. Then we're gonna take a quick look at AT&T here. So AT&T, this is a major go for AT&T. Joe, you still here? Because I think you said you were gonna make a play on AT&T. Or thinking about it. Not sure if you did, but yeah, major go here for AT&T. Good. They had earnings. Estimate was 76 cents. Actual was 78 cents. So they actually beat the earnings there. Not sure about the revenue. Said they had 41 billion in revenue, but I'm not sure what the estimate was. But earnings don't seem that bad. But for whatever reason, it's still selling off 8.42%. So massive go for AT&T. And oh, all right. So you got puts on. So damn, did you print today, Joe? You must have printed some fat tendies on this, because IV is pretty low, you know. So big moves like this, you should have been printing. Wow. Pretty sad, because this is a boomer stock, you know, like this is a boomer dividend stock. It's not supposed to move much, but this has been pretty nuts the past year here. So I don't know. This is like kind of turning into a meme stock. I don't know, but yeah, earnings for AT&T, and it's getting wrecked. And there is a gap here at 22.50. So pretty scary stuff. But yeah, AT&T honorable mention. Major good day today. Yes. All right, man. Congrats. Today was a good day. Yeah, for the Rainbow Bears. All right, guys. So, yeah, that's all I got for today. Well, in terms of the TA, so really short TA today. Nothing really worthy about to talk about except for XELA. So let's get on to the Yolos now. Give me 1 second to pull them up, and we have quite a few today. So give me a sec. Got 4 viewers still in here. Appreciate you guys. So give me a sec here. Let me pull up all these memes, all these Yolos, and we'll finish off here with the finish off strong with the Yolos here. I think you'll like this one, Joe. Alright, gonna give this a second to finish loading, and we'll get started. Alright. I think we'll get started regardless. Not done loading yet, but whatever. Alright, so today, guys, got some pretty good stuff. Some fun YOLOs, nothing too serious. A lot of memes, and some lost corn, and some gained corn, and some YOLOs. But mostly memes. Wall Street Bets has been heavy on the memes lately, not so much the plays themselves. So let's do it. So this first one is by Stonks Generator. Meanwhile, at the Fed, before the meeting today. So here's a clip from South Park. I think this episode was back in 2008 when the recession hit. So let's watch this.
Insurance company. Bailout. The most prudent move is a bailout. Bail out the insurance company.
So that was pretty accurate. So today, it was, and then it was raise interest rates. Raise interest rates. It is. Pretty accurate. Pretty accurate. Good stuff. All right. So here's a meme about Kathy Wood. More Kathy Wood clowning. This one's by Margin Call Matthew. Kathy Wood OnlyFans funds. Home is where mom is. So, rich MILF gambles all her money on unprofitable growth stocks, gets pounded hard by the Fed. Yeah, kind of feel bad for her at this point. And Kramer. Everyone's just clowning on Kathy Wood and Kramer. But, can't really blame them. She is getting pretty wrecked here. All her ARK ETFs and stuff. Not doing so well. So she used to be a savior on Wall Street Bets. Now she just gets the clown. So, yeah, more clowning on Kathy Wood. It doesn't really get old, though. So, I kind of feel bad for her. Because she doesn't really deserve all this hate. But you know, some funny stuff. So she won't have to go in the back of Wendy's anytime soon, but maybe she has to go in the P Hub. She can play stepmom or something. All right. So here we got a Kramer clown meme. Jim Cramer indicator went through the roof yesterday and threw a strong YOLO buy signal for GME. So you see here, when you go into a brick and mortar GameStop, they feel antiquated in nature. So he's saying GME and AMC, he's saying they're bearish. So you know what that means? Inverse Kramer, buy GME, buy AMC. Not financial advice. I'm totally kidding. He may be onto something here. But if Kramer says they're not good, Ape's inverse. But I think he might be right this time. I don't know. But yeah, you know, Kathy Wood clowning, Jim Cramer clowning. They've been getting it pretty hard here lately. This is actually a video, but we're not going to play it. So I don't know, guys. Jim Cramer says stay away from GME and AMC. You know what that means. All right, moving on. This one is by Wall Street Bets Muskrat. It be like that sometimes. So here's a meme on R. Kelly. I think this is when he did the interview with Robin Roberts or something. AMC/GME bag holders. I'm fighting for my effing life. Is this a video? No, it's not. Yeah, I remember, I don't know if you guys saw the interview, but he's like, I'm fighting for my life here. And he started crying and he started getting hysterical. So AMC, GME bag holders, fighting for their lives here. You can hit the sell button. All right, this one is by Daddy Dirch. It's official, boys. Jay Powell turned the money printer off. So it used to be F your puts. Now it's F your calls. The 180 reversal here. So money printer. No more money printer. So this may be the new meme. F your calls. All right, this is by Chicago Aviation. Markets this week be like. And this is a pretty viral video. That this video has been pretty viral. This guy was wrestling a bear. We'll play the video, but you guys may have seen this already. It's been pretty viral the last few days. So like the bear's trying to eat his dog or something, and he pushes the bear away and barricades the bear out. So, yeah, everyone wrestling the bear here. Trying to eat the dog. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, this one is by Mr. Crescenzi. The old ball and shaft on Microsoft. How did I not see this coming? Play on words there. So here we got some TA. Got your ball and shaft indicator. So it looks bullish to me. No, I'm kidding. So this actually may be an inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, I do joke sometimes, like, it's not the head and shoulders, it's the cock and balls. So, this may be an inverse cock and balls. We just need the second ball to form here. And then we get confirmation. And then that'd be a bullish indicator, breakout to the upside. So, this actually is a bullish indicator. Not right now. We got to get confirmation, but yeah. Got some Wall Street Bets TA going on here. ball and shaft. Looks bullish to me. Alright, this one's by Rad Kellogg 1. True story. So I got some meme here of DiCaprio. How it started. So I think this is in Gatsby, The Great Gatsby. So he's balling. And I think this is from The Revenant. When he gets mauled by the bear. So how it started, how it's going. Pretty accurate. But, you know, he did survive. Somehow. When he lived inside the horse and stuff, so. Yep, pretty accurate here. Alright, this one's by Joker925. It was a bull trap all along. Bulls thinking Jay Powell was going to deliver good news. Jay Powell raising rates. So, yeah, it kind of was a bull trap, to be honest. You know, started the day major green. I was like, maybe there is no sell-off. The Fed talking, and then they talked, and then everything goes BitConnect. So, yep, got the Joker here in his clown costume. And wrong one. And bam, got the clown. Bull trap, rug pull. Alright, so enough of the memes. Let's get on to some actual plays here. It's just a lot of general gain and loss corn, to be honest. Not so many plays themselves. I think we have one about Tesla. But yeah, this one is my special afternoon, 85. I turned 42K into almost 500K in 1 week with SPY. So we got a bunch of SPY puts here. Yeah, a lot of SPY puts. A lot of FDs. So some for January 21st, January 24th, those are already over. January 26th, most of them for January 26th, January 28th, and then February 9th. So a bunch of different strikes here. 455, 435, 430, 434, 450, 460. And yeah, he has a lot of them, like over 1,000, way more than 1,000. Maybe like 1,500. Almost 2,000 actually, almost 2,000 puts for SPY. And for the most part, they've been printing. Got some losses here, but yep, 42K YOLO, and now it's worth 500K. So what the hell is that? That's 1,000% gain, more than that. 1,100% gain. Incredible, incredible. So Super Rainbow Bear printing them tendies on the puts here. And you see the total commission and fees, $2,100. Wow, that's a lot of fees, dude. But I guess it's worth it. So, special afternoon 85. Thanks for hosting. Pretty ballsy stuff here, but printed them tendies, and you should be pretty good. Most of these expired in the money. So congrats to you, dude. And good luck, man. Very jealous. I did the same thing last year in reverse. You show me 500K made in a week and I'll quit my job and come work for you. That's from Wolf of Wall Streets. Alright, next one by Roquems. I cry myself to sleep every night. So, here's some lost corn. So, in the past year, he's down $34,000, down 98%. still has 655 bucks. So obviously this is because of FD Yolos. No other reason for this. I mean, he lost it all relatively quickly, and then it's just kind of flatlined from there. So yeah, this really seems like FD Yolos on meme stocks. That's what I'm assuming. That's probably what it is. So I cry myself to sleep every night. Yeah, I mean, to be quite honest, these are kind of like rookie numbers compared to other people, but I guess it's a lot of money for this guy. Yeah, dude, well, you know, in the big picture of things, it's not the worst thing in the world. 34K is, you know, like a year's salary, I guess. Nothing you can't make back. So, you know, hope you learn your lesson. Come back stronger next time, and don't do this. Don't FD YOLO. Play it safe, buy stock. You know, maybe SPY or something. So, feel your pain, dude. But, you know, hope you can learn from this. So, Roquems, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. And good luck to you in the future, dude. Next posting. Alright, this guy blows the other guy out of the water here. This is by Extortion 187. It's all been downhill since last year. So this guy is down $124,000 in the past year. Down 40%.
And it's gone.
So he still has 184,000 bucks. So still a lot of money here. Lost 40% of his bankroll, but yeah, this also appears to be, I don't know actually. This is harder to tell. This may not be FD Yolos. It may just be, it may be stock as well, but yeah, lost a ton of this in the beginning. This was probably from GameStop or something. This is probably because of the meme mania. Got a little too greedy, ran it back up. So he did recover from meme mania. Actually, he's right back here. So I'm not exactly sure how he lost this money, but probably some FD YOLOs, some risky plays on memes. But I think definitely meme plays had to do with this stock and options. So yeah, you know, 124,000 bucks makes the other guy look like, you know, it's really not so bad. So, you know, at this point, he still has 184K. You can make your money back, dude. I'm glad you didn't lose everything. So, yeah, that's why I'm saying it doesn't seem like totally FD YOLOs. It seems like he had some control, some restraint here. So, yeah, this really sucks. That's a lot of tax write-offs, though. Like 40 years or something. And, yeah, still got a lot of money, dude, so you're alright. But, you know, just be safer in the future here. Chill with the memes, chill with the YOLOs. So, Extortion 8187, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. But you'll be alright. Still got a lot of money. And, you know, hope you learn your lesson. Be a little safer next time. And, yeah, you'll be fine, dude. This is money he could afford to lose. Alright, this is by Tesla Neo Bull. Biggest dumbass since 2020. Lost Corn is back, baby. Neo SPY Peloton. My wife's boyfriend broke up with her. So is she coming back to you? So, yeah, here we have... Let's open this. So we see the portfolio. So, from in 1 year, January 18, 2021, he's down about $63,000, down 57%.
Good.
So, yeah, it's just been straight downhill. He made money in the beginning, and it's just gotten worse and worse, bleeding a lot of money here. So, yeah, and it's from shares, too. Neo shares, Peloton shares. I don't know what CX is. And then he has some leaps here. Not really leaps, but SPY 450 calls. And got a Neo call, but so he says Neo, SPY, and Peloton. Honestly, I'm not sure exactly what happened here. It was mostly Neo. That's what it was. So he got wrecked on Neo. That's what it was. Pretty sad because I like Neo a lot too. But, you know, China's no good right now. And he lost some other stuff here. I'm not saying what it is, but it's mostly Neo. Big Neo bull. And seems like he bought high, sold low. Didn't sell yet, but he bought high and got wrecked. So just goes to show you can still lose a lot of money on shares too. Not just FD Yolos. But he didn't lose everything because it wasn't FD Yolos like the other guy. So, Tesla Neo Bull. Did you have any shares in Tesla? That should have, like, hedged it. Anyway. So, yeah, sorry for your loss, dude. But, you know, really not the worst thing in the world. You still got a lot of money here. And they're shares, so if anything, you can hold. Maybe a while before Neo goes back up, but, you know, I'm confident it will eventually. Really good company. So, yeah, been a rough year, but not as bad as some other guys on this forum. Just hold. May take a while, but you should be able to get your money back. But yeah, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, and good luck to you, dude. Alright, last one. And here's an actual YOLO by Used Worldiness 879. All my savings today on Tesla. So this is some, you know, great ape stuff here. Wall Street Bets ape stuff. This is casino stuff. So we got 10 calls expiring Friday, January 28th. 5 calls for the 975 strike and 5 calls for the 970 strike. So this was approximately a 36.5k YOLO, and right now he's down 6.3k, 17.35%. Let's check it out. So Tesla's going up. See? That was pretty nuts. It sold off and now it went right back up. Tesla. This is interesting. Maybe we should have covered Tesla. I'll see where it's trending on StockTwits later. And I may do a separate video. But Tesla's going up right now. Crazy day today. So, you know, if this holds, this would be like at the money right now. So, this guy, yeah, this is literally 50-50. You can flip a coin right here. It's like at the money, got 2 days to go. We'll see what happens. But I would recommend you guys not YOLO all of your savings into an FD play like this. This is either going to go really bad or slightly good. I don't think he's going to print any tendies. He's going to like come out a little bit in the profit or lose everything. So, not the greatest play here right now. So yeah, the play itself, decent strikes, bad expiration, and we'll see what happens. So I guess this is a not a terrible play, but really risky. I don't think it's that great. But, you know, good luck to this guy. He's going to need it. So, Used Worldiness. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you, dude. I'm rooting for you. Decent chance this works out. Especially after earnings today. Nice little boost there. So, yeah. Good luck to you, man. And please post updates. Want to see how this goes. You're going to need it. Let me check StockTwits real quick. Tesla might be trending right now. Tesla is trending. More than XELA, actually. Well, might have to do some more content here, depending on how Tesla goes. But yeah, guys, that is the show for today. So like I said, I was expecting this to be hour and a half, 2 hours. So we're finishing, right at hour 45 minutes here, hour 47 minutes. So another, short and sweet show here. Not too much content to go over, but some pretty good news, or some pretty decent news. Did XELA for the TA. Might do another one on Tesla here. After the show ends. And the Yolos were okay, Again, a lot of memes. Wall Street Bets has been slacking on the actual plays, but a lot of memes today, some pretty funny stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed, I had fun. Not the most content today, but, short and sweet, like I said. So that's all I got. And anyone have anything else for me? Questions, comments, concerns, charts you want me to look at? And if not, we'll get out of here. Of course, here comes the sirens. How many people still here? I don't even think that many people in here. Yeah, it's just 2 people, so. So yeah, anything else, guys? If not, we'll get out of here. Alright, I think that's it. Just gonna wait for this ambulance to pass, and then we'll get out of here. Alright. Alright, peace, Joe. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.